people who are crying over why Pranav Dhanwade wasn't selected. Listen up. This is not Big Boss. This is cricket. I don't think I've hated a word ever before in my life. And this word, nepotism, it makes me all kinds of angry. And the latest victim, if I might say, because I think everybody that people go after using this label nepotism, I think those people are victims because you are just shitting on everything either they have achieved or their parents have achieved, and you're just being most hypocritical of yourself because everybody in this world is a product of nepotism. You yourself are products of nepotism. Your father did not pick a random child from Bajuga Jhomri Patti and raised him, invested in his education. They invested in your education. You did not do anything to deserve that special treatment. You were just born to them, and yet you go after all these people. And latest victim is Arjun Tendulkar. But I won't talk about nepotism right now. I will. Let's keep that aside. Let's take it on face value. Let's say nepotism is wrong, and nobody should be selected on basis of that. But let's see why the whole outrage and the nepotism debate around Arjun Tendulkar and that one particular photo, that image that has been doing the rounds from last 5 years that compares him with that boy Pranav Dhanwade, is this whole comparison is ridiculous. It's devoid of facts, and the three reasons that I'm going to give you, all of those reasons apply, or maybe at least one of those reasons applies. One, that image comparing Arjun Tendulkar with Pranav Dhanwade, who scored those 300 runs or maybe 1000 runs, that image is from 2016. I saw that image doing the rounds now in 2021 when Arjun Tendulkar was selected for Mumbai Indians, to play for Mumbai Indians, and everybody was like, why did they not pick Pranav Dhanwade? Pranav Dhanwade did what he did in 2016. That is a 5-year-old picture that you are circulating all over Twitter. Can you just get your facts straight? The so-called intellectuals of our country, please. You have already created a monster by the name of Kangana Ranaut, and now she is biting you back. Don't do any more stupid shit. And this is why in 2016 Arjun Tendulkar was picked ahead of this boy, because this boy was not eligible to be picked for that team. Besides, you do not get selected in a team on the account of just one innings, but that's a separate topic. Two, let's talk of this IPL. Why was Pranav Dhanwade, who scored that amazing, who played that amazing innings in 2016, why was he not selected for IPL in 2021, 5 years later? I mean, has he done anything of note over the last 5 years? Has he? And if he has not gotten the resources, that is not Arjun Tendulkar's fault. There are so many boys, there are so many players who get picked in IPL teams, not exactly by merit. Sometimes owners see some other value in them. Sometimes owners hear of some random interesting knock they played in a game somewhere, and the owners think that this player might be useful to us. This player might play one of those kinds of knocks in this IPL, and he may not figure in the top 50 batsmen from Ranji Trophy, but I want this guy in my team. This happens all the time, and nepotism or any kind of favoritism is not the reason behind it. Owners go by their instincts, go by their research. That's it. Now, let's get to the third point, because that's actually the only point that truly matters, and you might try to find holes in the last 2 points that I mentioned, but there is no hole to be found here. People who are crying over why Pranav Dhanwade wasn't selected. Listen up. This is not Big Boss. This is cricket. It's not that you create, you are a part of one huge controversy and Big Boss makers think that, okay, let's get this guy for ratings. In cricket, you have to perform consistently. Or, like I mentioned earlier, some IPL owner might think that one knock is worth it. That one knock may get you a place in their team, but that depends on that owner. And if he does not select you, or she does not select you, pick you for his team, that's their prerogative. If they select someone else, whether that someone else has performed consistently over the years, which Arjun Tendulkar has. Arjun Tendulkar has paid his dues. He's 21. He's not 60. He's not picked for this IPL team at an age of 16 or 17 or 18. He has been paying his dues. He has earned his place. Recently he scored a quick fire 77 or something of just 30 balls. You have to climb your way up to the higher level. When Arjun Tendulkar was picked for the Mumbai under 16 team, that was after an all-around show. He put an exceptional show in the Payade Trophy that serves as a selection trial for under 16 team. What he did, he first scored a century in the first innings, and then he followed that performance up by capturing 4 wickets and rounded up his performance with a quick 40 in the second innings. And this was 2015. This was 6 years ago, and since then he's still toiling it out. It's not like he performed like that and Ambani picked this guy. That was 2015. This is 2021. Since then he has given a slew of impressive performances. Arjun Tendulkar has toiled hard at different levels to reach where he is today. Again, when you talk of IPL, young players have been given a lot more for a lot less. Larger contracts given to performers who are not consistent performers. Nepotism has not a thing to do with any of it.
Subscribe to Legend Martini for your daily dose of lifestyle, movies, fashion, career, health and wellness, and everything else under the sun. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.